Okay, everybody. Today we're gonna go camping finally. Yeah, we haven't gone camping in a long time. Yeah, let's all go, bro. Yeah, come on. 1 hour later. Okay, we're here at the camping spot. It's already getting dark. Yeah, this is the camping spot. Hope you enjoy the camping experience. Oh wait. Bro, you goofy. No, I'm not. Stop calling me that. What does goofy even mean? Nah, this guy doesn't even know what goofy means. Yeah, bro. Like, let's just, you know what? Let's just go into a camping. Okay, guys. There's, you know what? I'm going outside. There's not even enough split space. Yeah, me too. You know what? Yeah, me too. There's not even enough space. Why would they give us a camping place so tiny? I don't know. This camping place was cheap. Why did you make it cheap? I'm poor, okay? I don't have that much money. I'm poor. My family need to eat, and I need to save up enough money. Okay, that's kind of sad. So what do we do? Nothing. I mean, I got these flashlights, I guess. We got this. We got this. Let me pick this up. We got some for this and for Apple. Don't lose your flashlight, guys, cause these flashlights I paid for them, cause you're too poor. Why didn't you play? You know what? Look. After arguing for 3 hours. Okay, guys, enough of this. You know what, guys? I'm gonna tired. It's 8 a.m. I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired and I'm a fruit, so I don't think fruit. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. And I'm gonna go find some wood so I can light a fire. Okay. Okay, hope you don't die. Wait a second. Wait, where did I leave that flashlight? Guys, where is my flashlight? Don't tell me you lost your flashlight. Bro, you know. Don't tell me you lost your flashlight! You always lose everything, you stupid. Come on. Oh well. Apple doesn't have flashlights. Too bad. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go here and find some wood. And what am I supposed to do without a flashlight? You know what? I'm going home. I'm gonna sleep too. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna fall asleep too. Good night. Bro. Sleep in a way. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna. Wait, what? Oh my God, it's nighttime. Where is Pumpkin? Pumpkin, where are you? Are you still looking for a stupid wood? Bro, Pumpkin, it's getting night. Monster are gonna come out and kill you if you don't come out. Okay, I cut the wood. Now it's time to head back. Okay. Why? Oh my god, I got the wood back. Finally. I'm back to my camping. What took you so long, bro? What were you doing? I was finding some wood. It's just so hard to find wood because everyone's taking them. Okay, but it took you so long. Now it's raining. Okay, Adam's still asleep. So, you wanna cook something like something? But why can't we cook? No, I'm not gonna cook myself, cause I mean, okay. We can cook some popcorn. Okay, we can cook some corn. That will make popcorn. I only found 3 wood. Yeah, bro, it took you so long. It took you like 2 hours. Why it took you so long? Okay, shut up. Let's just cook these corn because I'm hungry. Yeah, let's cook these. Okay, now we just need a. Okay, now we wanna talk about something like something. Yeah, we wanna. Hey, I know it might be a little too late for this. Like 1 a.m. right now. Hey, Paco, let's go. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Sleeping? You guys good? You guys good? You guys good? Okay, yeah, they're good. They're good. And oh my god! Thunder! I almost touched the stupid fire. That popcorn tasted so good. Bro, I can barely even see you. It's so dark. What? Help me! Ow! Bro, what is this? What is this? This is like a... Oh my god. Corn is dead. Who... Lemon! Apple! Lemon, apple! Lemon, apple! Apple, lemon, help me. What? You woke me up. What? Everything okay? What the heck? Bro, why you guys woke us up? What is going on? Yeah, move out that way. You know, I'm gonna keep sleeping. Frick those guys. I'm gonna keep sleeping. Okay, you keep sleeping. I'm gonna see what's going on. Guys, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning. Why are you guys still up? God, bro. What? Apple. Something happened to him. He's dead. Yeah. What? No! Corn, come on! What happened to him? On freaking arrow. Bro, what the heck? A freaking arrow destroyed his head. What? What the heck? Guys, so I think, ow, my leg! Bro, my leg, ow. Lemon! No! What is... No! Lemon! What is... You okay? Let me see. Guys, I think it's the end of me. Whoever that person is shooting those arrows is gonna kill all of you. Run for your life. We have to get out of here now. What? Are we just gonna leave? Lemon here? Yeah, guys, leave me here to die. We need to go. We need to go. Yeah, we need to go in a car. Come on, get in. I need to get in my car fast before they kill me. Run! Don't leave me here, Lemon! Pumpkin, no! Please, I don't want to die. Pumpkin was never seen the end. Lemon, corn, apple died. The only person who survived was Pumpkin. Pumpkin was never seen again. Pumpkin was never seen again. Part 2 coming out soon.